What's up, you guys? This is Ike from Cell Phone Parts and Repair. I'm going to be removing a cracked screen on a Apple SE first gen 40 millimeter watch and replacing it with a new one. There is a couple things I will be sharing with you all later in the video on what to do when replacing your screen on your device. We do receive mail-in repairs from customers. So if this is something that you do not feel comfortable with doing, you're welcome to give us a holler at usecellphoneparts@gmail.com, and we will get you a quote over and get it taken care of for you. When cleaning around the edges of the watch, you want to make sure that you don't damage the force touch sensor. If so, you would just need to replace it. When inserting these flex cables into the LCD, you want to make sure that the adhesive is pulled back further enough. That way it doesn't interact with the flex cables to cause an issue with the touch and LCD display. And also make sure that they are pushed in fully as well. And there you have it, you guys. I hope this video was helpful for you all in some kind of way. Until next time, you guys be safe, take good care of yourself, and have a blessed day.